Host, High Taylor Raymond Gutierrez. Sa elimination, may 5 rounds kung saan magkakataya ng 7 contestants. Bawat round ay may isang blanco silang dapat kantahin at pagkatapos ng isang round, pag nakakuha sila ng perfect score, safe lahat sa katayan. Pero pag may sumablay, siguradong may makakatay.
Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb! Oh, wow!
Yan po mga kapuso, magandang gabi at nakikita po natin Sex Bomb Girls. Ang magkakatayan, alam niyo na.
We missed you here, girls.
Oo nga.
No?
At laging panalo kapag nandito ang Sex Bomb.
Keres. At sana kayo naman ang manalo ngayon ng 1 million pesos. Pangarap namin yan sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Kaya ano pa hinihintay natin, simulan natin ang round 1 na All-Star K! 2 million peso! Video kay Challenge Jack!
Yan! Suot ang mga headsets, mga girl, lalo!
Dahil mamimili na tayo ng category!
Jukebox, select!
Patok na patok!
Pop song!
Maring Floor, mamili ka nga ng patok na sex bomb. Select! Jobel, ang ganda ng aawitin natin.
Second, number 1 hit ng Pussycat Dolls.
Jobel, cake ka na!
Cake na!
Kay! Na kayong lahat!
Cake na cake!
Music! Go, yay!
I don't wanna go another day, so I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind.
Jobel.
Seems like everybody's breaking up and throwing their love away.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a good thing right here. That's why I say,
Yes!
I love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you.
Wow, sunshine!
You know how I appreciate. I must stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I must stick with you.
Yes,
Luis!
Luis!
I don't wanna go another day.
Pangalan mo?
So I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind.
Ano yan? Ano sex bomb?
We're riding up, realizing up, nothing in between.
Lakas mo.
Want you to know that you're the only one for me. Nobody's gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher.
Okay, so dahil 7 kayo, perfect.
70,000 pesos!
At dahil nga perfect, alam niyo girls, napakaswerte ninyo dahil
Walang kakatali.
Stay put lang kayo dyan. Stay put ba?
Oo. Kaya mag-round 2 na tayo ng All-Star K! 2 million peso video kay Challenge!
Napakabilis na mga pangyayari.
Ang taros! Pamili na agad ng kategory ng round 2.
Jukebox! Select.
K-hit ano? Sabi perfect kaya nito. Maring Floor, naman masasabi mo perfect agad ang sex bomb? Select! Si Weng!
Yan!
Weng, ang ganda na kakantahin natin, Weng. Hindi ka dapat magkamali rito dahil kinanta ko sa Araneta Coliseum na kayo ang kasama ko. Weng, kay ka na!
Cake na!
Hey! Na kayong lahat!
Cake na cake!
Music! I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. Weng!
Get this party started on a Saturday night. Everybody's waiting for me to arrive. Sending up a message to all of my friends. We'll be looking flashy in my Mercedes-Benz. That's the style, got my old diamond rings.
I get over my...
If you know what I mean.
Ayun!
I'm coming up, so you better get this party started.
I am coming up, I am coming up.
I'm coming up, so you better right. Step to the bar, get out of the car. License plate aside, step on the roof.
Ano ka mo, Micah?
Ay, ganyan.
Nako, may dalawang nagkamali.
Pero hindi masama dahil ang round ninyo naging 100,000 pesos. You know what I mean?
Nadagdagan ng 3-0. Halika na.
3-0!
Sino kaya ang kakatayin ng Pinoy Idol host na si Raymond?
Napakagaling na host kaya mamaya abangan ang katayan at ang round 3 dito sa All-Star 3! Come on, okay, challenge!
Ang buti-buti